Alright, today we'll be reviewing the latest from Decapower. This is their 205 BV multiprocessor. This thing can plasma cut, weld aluminum, steel, and everything in between. And today we'll dig into it. We'll show you all its features. I'll show you everything that's included, and we'll also weld and put down some beads and see what it's got. So my initial thoughts of the unit is it's a very sharp looking unit. It's got really good curb appeal, a nice large display LED. It's got a nice matte black finish, large grab handle. Here is your stinger for your MMA sticks. We'll be checking that out. Yeah, these guys include everything, man. Here's your warranty information, 2-year warranty. They've always been very responsive. I'm sure they'll take care of you. Here's an extra liner for your MIG gun. This is a nylon liner. This is if you want to weld aluminum right out of the machine. Yes, it is capable of MIGging aluminum right from the machine. It has a dual wheel motor, and I'll show you guys in a minute. That helps with that soft aluminum. All right, this is your plasma torch for your plasma gun. Full kit. There's your consumables. Here is your TIG torch. Nice little carrying case. They give you your consumables with it. I mean, they include everything. These guys here, this is plug and play, man. This thing can do from A to Z, and they include everything right out of the box. Don't need to purchase anything. So let me come around. We'll show you under the hood. Well, let's look at the back right quick. One thing I noticed is they have these, Euro style quick connects, which I do like. They do not leak. I sprayed them with some soap and water. They're very, very, very nice, very heavy duty. Nothing about this machine is light duty. This machine is ready for some work. This is a workhorse. But again, so what I had to do was I had to swap out this fitting here for just a regular compressor fitting for the air water separator. That way this will work with our compressors. It had this fitting here on this side, which is, I guess, a Euro style. So I swapped it out and plug and play from there. Also did the same thing with the hose. So I used their fitting to connect to the machine, quick connect, and I just used the barb on the other side. That worked out well for me. All right, here we have some duty cycle information here. Let's see if I can zoom in there for you. That's our MIG here. So 60% at 200 amps and 100% at 155 amps. That's pretty good. And they label everything: external air, your cut, everything's labeled. Under the hood, again, everything's nicely labeled, so you can swap polarity. I'm going to use the plasma cutter. Now check out this dual motor here, this dual wheel motor. That's to assist in that brittle aluminum wire. Yes, this machine is capable of welding aluminum right from the MIG. Again, they include that nylon liner, so you can swap out. Here's all your wheels. I mean, you can see the gears on there. There's nothing Mickey Mouse about this machine here, man. This thing's a workhorse. This is ready to weld day in and day out. Let's take a look at the control panel here. On our top left, we can shift through our modes. That's the stick we're welding with. But there's our plasma cutter. There's our TIG option. Oops, skipped over the sync there. Did it again. So here's your sync feature. So depending on the wire and the gas and everything you're running, this gives you a just a a set of parameters to go with. You can adjust from there if you need. Machine does a pretty good job of telling you where you should start with. And this is your manual mode, gas. The pulse is for the aluminum. Again, this can weld aluminum out of the machine, being you change the liner. And it can only weld aluminum with the pulse feature. On the right side here, we have the 2T, 4T. I'm pretty sure you know what that is. Here's your wire size. Here is your gas option. Now it is on pulse on aluminum. Let me switch on over to the sync, and you'll have the option for all your different gases here. Also with different wires, so we can weld everything from 023 to 045. This is your wire speed adjustment. The right lets you dial it in small increments. They can go plus or minus 2, either way, help zero it in. Okay, in the center here, we have another set of adjustments here. This is our inductance. This is how fast we can set the current to rise to reach the desired amperage. This is our pre-gas. This is, you can see how long the pre-gas flows before the arc starts. This one is our wire ramp slope. You can set the trailing wire starting ramp to prevent any initial accumulation in the welding seam. And that one is the wire burn back time, so you can set how far the wire will burn back once the torch trigger has been released. And last is your post gas, so that sets how long you would like the gas to flow after the arc ends. Loaded with features, man. This is a super nice machine. Heavy duty, quiet fan, capable of just about everything. And they include everything out of the box to get started with. This is one I would definitely check out if you're in the market, for sure. Don't forget, I'll leave the link in the description below. As expected, plasma cutter works just as good, man. Light work for the 14 gauge here. Easily cut through that. Now this is 1/4 inch steel, and definitely had no trouble blazing right through that. It's a little straighter cut there. And here's some beads we put down earlier with some 030. I mean, welded like a champ. This is what, 1/4 inch steel. Didn't have any problems. This machine's a workhorse. Just one last look. Capable of everything, man. This is our MIG, this is our stick. So I'm gonna have a few more reviews coming to you guys here shortly. All new, updated machines, a whole line of them. If you guys want to stick around and check them out, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.